Welcome to Upstarplus. In this video, I will show you how to lock and unlock SIM card in Android. This tip is for advanced users, so make sure you don't do anything that you are unfamiliar with. So to do that, go to Settings, search SIM card lock, press Lock SIM card option. Switch SIM from below if you are using dual SIM. So after that, enable this option. You will need to have SIM card PIN to use this option. You have 3 attempts. If you enter wrong PIN again and again, PUC code will be applied and that will not be good because PUC code can be provided by SIM operator. If you use wrong PUC code again and again, you can lose your SIM access and you will need to get the new SIM from the operator. So make sure you do not make mistakes here. Provide SIM PIN code if you have. SIM PIN code is usually found in the original SIM packaging, or it can be checked in your phone's security settings. After you apply the PIN code, you can change the PIN code from here as well. After you are done, to see that in effect, restart the phone. After restarting, phone will ask SIM PIN code in order to use the SIM. You will have to provide the SIM code to access the phone. And if you need to unlock the SIM card, come over to this screen and disable this option. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.